It's quite hard to keep ourselves motivated. Sometimes we just have no energy to do anything, like just want to take a break from this busy life. Yet on the other hand, we don't want to ruin our lives. We want to keep growing. Deep down, we want to be productive. We want to make sure that we're not wasting our time and do the right thing with these moments. But how can we stay motivated all the time? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share my tricks how I'm able to keep myself motivated. So let's dive in, learn, and grow with me. The first is your social media following matters. Now, who are you following on your Instagram account? Who are you following on Facebook, TikTok, and all of your social media? What do you see there? What do you consume when you see and when you scroll your social media? Because it really matters. What do you see, what do you consume, whether you realize or not, it can affect your mind. It can affect how you think. What things do you think? It can really influence yourself directly and indirectly. So if what you're following on your social media is just a gossip, controversial thing, or people complain about their life, then how can you get motivated? Instead, if you want a motivation, then follow motivational accounts, inspirational figures, educational contents, self-growth accounts, or any accounts that can educate you, that you can learn from that, get a free knowledge from it, and it can inspire you to do more productive things with your life. So let's start to be mindful about who are we following on our social media and what do we consume every single day. And that leads me to point number 2, which is watch TED Talks and listen to podcasts. So I would say what I consume to get myself stay motivated is because I choose education over entertainment. Now, I'm not saying that you cannot watch entertainment. Instead, try to spend more time on educational contents that give you value, motivation, inspiration, and knowledge. A lot of TED Talks and podcasts really give me insights, awareness, motivation, and new knowledge every time I watch and listen to those things. Every single day, I always get a fresh insights from what I consume. That's why I can always stay motivated. The third is surround yourself with motivated people. I'm not gonna lie that your friends, your circle, who are you spending time with, can really influence you and your life. It has a huge and significant impact on your mindset, your behavior, your attitude, how and what you're thinking. If you surround yourself with people who is complaining and gossiping all the time, you'll be also complaining, discussing unnecessary things, gossiping with them, or thinking negatively. On the other side, if you surround yourself with people who is motivated, work on themselves, proactive people who always wants to do best with their lives, you'll also get encouraged by them. You'll grow with them and you can learn from each other. So you want to find those people who can uplift it and motivate you to always do the best. For me, I'd rather be alone than I sacrifice my life by surrounding myself with the wrong people. Because when you're with the wrong people, they can give you bad and negative energy that you exactly don't want. The fourth is set monthly goals and track your growth. So in the beginning of the month, always set goals for yourself. Like write down what you want to achieve in a month, what do you want to learn this month, what growth you want to have this month, what part of yourself do you want to improve this month. And then by the end of the month, make a monthly recap about what you're achieving in a month, what is your growth this month, what worked well for you this month, what have you been done in a month, and also what doesn't work for you this month and how can you improve it next month. By doing that, you're kind of more aware with yourself. You know what you're achieving in a month, what are you improving, you track and you see your growth and you'll be motivated by it. You'll feel compelled to do more and more because now that you know that you are actually improving every single month and you'll motivate your own self. Now, so far in this video, I have really shared a lot of tricks that I use to keep myself motivated. So if you got to this point, comment below and say, I am a winner, so I know that you are actually committed to your learning. And make sure you hit the subscribe button because in the next video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to stop over worrying about the future. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye!